Luxembourg's office market figures for 2014. 2014, a record year. Take-up. 2014 confirms and amplifies the recovery observed in 2013. The second term was particularly promising, especially thanks to the exceptional operations such as the move of PwC to their new 30,000 metre square headquarters in the Kloster, or the move of the KPMG to Kirchberg with 17,000 metre square. Generally speaking, 205,941 metres squared were rented in 2014, representing an increase of 35.6% compared to 2013. 294 transactions were registered. This is 20% more than for the previous financial year. The pace is very fast as there is nearly one operation per day. The average surface area is 700 metres square. Last year, the most sought-after sector were the Kirchberg and the Kloster, with respectively 20% and 17% of the transactions. This is due to the lack of availability in the station district and the city centre. The sectorial analysis shows that financial services and the banks monopolise nearly two-thirds of the rented surface areas. INOWAI remains the first operator in the market since it realised 20% of last year's total transactions. Vacancy rate. The vacancy rate remains very low, 5.53%, despite a slight increase at the end of the year. Given the ongoing demand and programmes, it will decrease again in 2015. After its sudden drop experienced in 2009, the rate has remained stable since 2012, with an approximate 5% ratio. This level reflects the strength of the office market. Stock. The stock of the office space has passed this quarter the 3.5 million metres squared mark, settling at 3,622,506 metres squared. This represents an increase of 4% compared to last year and 50% in 10 years. As the demand for office spaces remains high, the new programmes that are being implemented are widely expected. 139,256 metres squared were delivered in 2014, and the volume of deliveries will be roughly the same this year. Rents. The low vacancy rate explains why rents in the city centre reached as much as €540. In 10 years, average city centre rents for the new buildings have risen from €312 to €480. The station district has become more expensive than Kirchberg, with prime rents often reaching €420. Investments. Investments reached €1.085 billion in 2014, representing an increase in more than 40% compared to 2013, when investments had already increased by more than 50% compared to 2012. They were carried out through 36 transactions. The ongoing achievements and projects represent a major axis between Kirchberg, the Kloster, the city centre and the station district. This whole area gathers more than 70% of Luxembourg's office space market.